Today we are going to discuss about value putting of an algebraic expression. So what is the value putting of an algebraic expression? See that if any expression like 3x plus 5, this value, this expression gives various values when the values are different of x. Suppose x equals to 2. Then 3 into 2 plus 5. So this implies 11. If x equals to 5, then 3 into 5 plus 5. That means this is 20. If x equals to minus 10, then 3 into minus 10 plus 5. That means minus 25. So we see that various values we get when the variables we choose various values. Now we are going to the exercise. Okay, now see that number 1, x equals to 4 given. You have to find 5x. So 5x, that means 5 into 4, that means 20. Next, number 2, minus 2x, that means minus 2 into 4, that means minus 8. Number 3, x minus 5. So value of x 4, so 4 minus 5, this is minus 1. And number 4, 1 by 2x plus 3. So that means 1 by 2 into 4 plus 3. This is cancelled 2, so 2 plus 3 is 5. Now number 3. In number 3, see that p equals to 5 given. You have to find 1 plus p square. So 1 plus p square. So 1 plus 5 square. So 1 plus 5 plus 25, that means 31. Next, number 3. Same type of sums are there. I am choosing number 3 now. So 5p square minus 8p. So 5 into p square. P means 5. So 5 square minus 8 into 5. So 5 square means 25. 25 into 5, 125 minus 40 equals, subtract it. So 85. Next, number 4, p cube minus 4p square plus p. So 5 cube, 4 into 5 square plus 5. So 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, that means 125. 4 into 5 square. 5 square means 25. 25 into 4 is 100 plus 5. So 125 100 is 25, then plus 5 equals to 30. Now in number 4, one expression is given. You have to put different values. See that the expression is 5x square minus 3x plus 7. Number 1, x equals to 0. So at x equals to 0, see that 5 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 7. So 0 square means 0. So 0. This is also 0. So this is 7. So equals to 7. Number 2, x equals to 3. At x equals to 3. So 5 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 7. So this means 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 5, 45, minus 9 plus 7. So this is 36 plus 7, 43. Next, number 3 is similar, minus 4. Now I am going to do the 4. This is half. So at x equals to half. So 5 into half square minus 3 into half plus 7. So this is 5 into 1 by 4. That means 5 by 4. I am writing a time 5 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 7. If we do it the LCM, so this is 4. So 5 minus 6 plus 28. So this is 27 by 4. We can write 27 by 4. We can write 27 by 4 as 6 of 3 by 4. Now next one, number 5. Number 5, given x equals to 1, y equals to 2. You have to find number 1, 3x plus 4y. Number 1, 3x plus 4y. So 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2. 3 into 1, 3. 4 into 2, this is 8. So 8 plus 3, this is 11. Next problem, number 2. Minus 2x plus 9y. So minus 2 into 1 plus 9 into 2. So see that minus 2 plus 18 equals to 16. Next, number 3 is same. So I am doing number 4. X plus 5y minus 6. So 1 plus 5 into 2 minus 6. 5 into 10, 10 plus 1, 11 minus 6. This is 5. Now in next number 6, a equals to given 6 and b equals to given 3. Now you have to find a square plus b square. Number 1, a square plus b square. So 6 square plus 3 square. So 6 square means 36. 3 square means 9. So 45. Next, number 2 is very easy. So I am doing number 3. Number 3 is very much important part. So see that a square plus ab plus b square. So a square means 6 square. 6 into 3 plus 3 square. So 36 plus 18 plus 9. So 36 plus 18, that means 54. 54 plus 9, this is 63. Okay. Now next, a plus b whole square. Number 4, a plus b whole square. That means 3, value of a is 6, 6 plus 3 whole square, that means 9 square, that is 81. Now number 5, b square minus a square. So 3 square minus 6 square. So 9 minus 36 equals to minus 27. Next one, number 6. 3 into a by b. So 3 into 6 by 3. It's cancelled. So 6. Next, number 7. A by b plus b by a. So 6 by 3 plus 3 by 6. That means this is 2. That means 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2. That means 5 by 2. That means 2 of 1 by 2. Now in number 8, 3 variables are there, x, y, z. So x equals to given 1, y equals to given 2, and z equals to given 3. Now expression is 2x plus 3y plus 7z. So 2 into 1, try to use the variable which is given, x equals to 1. So within bracket, so 3 into 2 plus 7 into 3. So this is 2 plus 6 plus 21. So 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 21, 29. Next problem, number 3. Number 2 is same. Number 3, minus 6x plus 4y minus 5z plus 3. So minus 6 into x plus 4 into y plus 5 into z plus 3. Now see that minus 6 plus 8 minus 15 plus 3. So minus minus, this is 21, plus plus, this is 11. So minus is greater than plus, so minus 10. In number 10, see that, prove that the value x square plus y square plus z square plus xy plus yz plus zx is 43 when x equals to 4, y equals to minus 6 and z equals to 5. Now put the value over there. So x equals to 4. So that means 4 square minus 6y, that means y square, 5 z square. Now 4 into minus 6 minus 6 into 5, 5 into 4. 4 square means 16, minus 6 square, minus square means plus. So 36 plus 25. See that? 4 into 6, 24, plus into minus, minus. Okay? So minus 24. Similarly, plus into minus, minus 6 into 5, 30, and plus 20. Now add this 16 plus 36, so that is 252 plus 25 plus 20, that is 45. And similarly see that this is minus 30 and 24, this is 54. So now if we add another one, so this is 7, 97 minus 54, if we subtract we get 43. So the answer is fruit. Now in number 11, value of P and Q are given. So P equals to 3 and Q equals to minus 4. Here to find the value P plus Q, by P minus Q. So see that P plus Q by P minus Q. So plus and minus a minus, so 3 minus 4, minus a minus a plus, so 3 plus 4. That is minus 1 by 7. Next, number 2, PQ by P square plus Q square. So P cube by P square plus Q square. So minus 12 by 9 plus 16. That means minus 12 by 25. Next, number 3. P square plus Q square by Q square minus P square. See that P square equals to 3 square, so 3 square plus minus 4 square by minus 4 square minus 3 square. So this is 9 plus 16 and this is 16 minus 9. So this is 25 by 7. So that's all for exercise 1B of fundamental concept of algebra. As fundamental operations are not in reverse syllabus, so you are directly going to the linear equation first part. And in the first part, normal calculation is there. So do only normal calculation, which I am showing in the class. Thank you all.